Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add users to Google Cloud Console. All right. There's actually two ways. So first up, go ahead over to console.cloud.google.com. Now, once you're in here, we have add people to your project. Okay. As you can see here at the top right, we have the project. To be able to select the project, go ahead and go to the top left right here, click on it and select the project where you wanted to share or where you wanted to add a user. Okay. Once that's done, as you can see here, we have add people to your project. Another way is to go ahead over to the left panel right here, open it up, and then go ahead and locate IAM right here, IAM and admin. Click on IAM or IAM. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you can see here, just go ahead and click on grant access right here. Okay. New principals, type down the email, for example, my third account, this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and select a role. In roles, we have basic. Okay. Under basic, we have browser, editor, owner, viewer. Just hover your mouse onto a role and you'll be able to see its function. Okay. It says here under browser, it has the access to browse GCP resources. Editor can view, create, update, and delete most Google Cloud resources. Owner got full access. And the viewer, it can just view Google Cloud resources and the other roles right here. For example, Analytics Hub. Okay, here. As you can see, we have Analytics Hub admin, listing admin, publisher, subscriber, owner, and viewer. Just go ahead and select the role. Okay, for example, basic right here. I'm going to go ahead and add a person as another owner, like so. But of course, we have IAM conditions. When you click on it, you can go ahead and go to condition type, maybe add in expiring access, okay, by time or duration, right here, maybe 1 hour or 1 day. Title, expiring access. For the name, Ryan 2. That. Hit on save, wait for the process. Do keep in mind, okay, conditions may not be added to basic roles. So make sure that under role, you select other than basic. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one. Delete, confirm, hit on save. It says here updating policy. As you can see here, the person has been added. So what he'll do is just go ahead and open up her or his Gmail. Okay, as Gmail has been used. The other way around, you can go ahead and use or invite using here. As you can see, you can go ahead and use regular Gmails, admins.googlegroups, and gserviceaccounts.com. Also, a workspace domain. Okay, going back. And here, I'm just going to open this account just for you to see. As you can see here, the person should receive the same exact email. All right, this is my main account. And this is the account of the person that you invited to your project. And then all he got to do or she got to do is just click on this link. Wait for it to open. If the person is new to Google Cloud, the person is going to accept the terms of service, accept invitation, wait for the cloud to open. And in here, the person got now access to the project, depending on the person's specific role. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.